Oh my gosh, there's so much stocks. I'm so stressed, man. Like, what do I even invest in? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. To handle all this information, I'll build a stock analysis chatbot assistant with ChatGPT to help me manage all this information. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my stock analysis chatbot assistant. What it does is help investors like him deal with information overload by calculating functions and also plotting stock prices. For example, let's try it with the simple moving average, or SMA. For example, we can tell it to calculate the SMA of a company such as Apple, for example. And it'll say output that the simple moving average of Apple based on a 50-day window is $237.84. Well, what about the exponential moving average, or EMA? It works like that as well. The RSI, which is the relative strength index. As you can see, it is 50.0. And finally, the MACD, or the moving average convergence and divergence. Not only does it calculate different functions, but it can also plot stock prices. For example, if we plot the stock price of Microsoft, for example, it'll give us the stock price of Microsoft over the last year. Now, how does this all actually work? To explain this code, I'm going to break it up into about 5 steps. The first step is importing module libraries. In this step, we import libraries such as JSON, which helps us call functions, OpenAI, which helps us import ChatGPT, Streamlit, which lets us run apps, YFinance, which helps us get the data for financial analysis, and finally Matplotlib to plot graphs. The second part of this code is the OpenAI API key. Basically, how it works is that OpenAI will give us quite like a long sequence like this, which helps us identify that it is actually us using the API, which helps us actually import ChatGPT into the code. The third step is actually defining functions. So for example, it's all the majority that takes up majority of this code. What we basically do is that we define functions such as get stock price, calculate SMA, EMA, RSI, and MACD, which all do as the name suggests, which is calculate that specific function. So to actually help ChatGPT know what all these functions mean, we have to define them with such as name, get stock price, description, gets the latest stock price given the ticker symbol of a company, and so on for every single function. Then the final part of this code is actually setting up Streamlit. For example, in this line of code, we set up the title of Streamlit, which is Stock Analysis Chatbot Assistant. And also we say that the user input equals to your input, which is right on the app here. If you want to see the full code, check out the description below as well. And that is how my stock analysis chatbot works. Thank you so much for watching.